Hi, welcome back. Okay, this week we're talking about risk mitigation planning. Human beings are notorious for identifying risks and then completely failing to manage them. We consider the risk and then we decide that things are very unlikely to go sideways anytime soon. So we carry on, often ignoring the consequences of accepting those risks, no matter how severe those consequences might be. Here's an example. We learned this in driver's ed. A car traveling about 50 miles an hour needs 175 feet to stop. And yet, millions of drivers make the decision every day to go 50, 60, 70 miles an hour and leave only 20 or 30 feet of distance between themselves and the car in front of them. It's very unlikely that we're going to have to come to a fast stop on the freeway. So we carry on, uh, completely ignoring those consequences every day. Why do we do this? Scientists understand that our brains have evolved to favor the positive emotion we feel from immediate benefits over the logical assessment of having negative consequences in the future. So, in simple terms, there is no emotional or dopamine reward for avoiding a hypothetical. Our emotional brain gets a reward from buying those golf clubs or binging on Netflix or having dessert. But our logical brain knows that we really ought to save our money, get off the sofa and exercise, and probably skip dessert. What on earth does this have to do with project management, you're thinking, right? Well, it means that project managers are up against the brain chemistry of everybody on the project team. But here's why we're special. We're clairvoyant superheroes, and we all need a t-shirt that says that. We can predict all kinds of horrible futures, but our superpower is planning a course that avoids the worst and has contingencies in place in case kryptonite should strike.